Hello students, welcome to the class. I have taught you chapter number 3, that is Introduction to HTML. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So this chapter is very much practical. So I want to teach you how we can make the HTML documents practically. So first we need to open Notepad for this. We will go to Start, then you will go to All Programs, then Accessories, and in Accessories you will open Notepad. So I'm using Windows 8, that's why it's bit different from the other operating systems. So I'm opening this Notepad. By default, the name of this file is untitled. In HTML, I told you that we use tags, and tags can be of two types: container and element tags. Container tags are always, they will open and close, but element tags, they are only opening tags, they don't have the closing tags. So whenever we are writing any program, we need to write HTML tag. First we need to write HTML tag. We have to start with the HTML tag. Then after that we will write down the head tag. Then we will write down the title tag. After that, in title tag, I can write down the name which I want to give my web page, like I am giving my first web page. My first web page. Now this is a container tag, that's why I need to close this tag, and whenever we are closing HTML tag, we have to put a /. So we will write down title. So this tag has been closed. Now we have to close the head tag also. So we will close it like this. Now we will start with the body tag. See, body tag, whatever we write in this body tag is displayed on our web page. Whatever you see on the internet, that is displayed because of this body tag. Now we will give some space. We will close this body tag. Now at last we have to close the HTML tag. So this is the basic structure of HTML, which I asked you to draw in your notebooks. Now we will study what we can write in this body tag. See, we have lots of tags. Suppose we want, okay, we start with the heading tags. We have 6 headings, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So H1 is for the largest heading. If I write here H1, then I write Guru Nanak Public School. Okay, so I will close this H1 tag. Now I write down H2 tag. We are writing this because we want to see the difference between these tags. Then we need to close this tag. And similarly I write down H3 tag. Okay, I copy this content because I'm writing the same text in all the tags. I will write down this. Then we have to close the H3 tag. Then I will put the H4 tag. I'm pasting the same tag. Then H4 is closed. Then I will write down H5 tag. Then I'm pasting the same text, then closing H5 tag. Then last one is H6 tag. Now you can see this. Okay, so we have done till here. In this you have to just remember that first you have to start with the HTML tag, then you have to write down the head tag. After that you have to write down title under the head tag. Then you have to give the title of the web page. Then title will be closed, then head will be closed. Then you will start with the body tag. Then inside the body tag you can use all the tags which are used for creating the web pages, for making the web pages or internet pages attractive. Then you will close the body tag, and at the last you have to close the HTML tag. Now the thing you have to do is, first you have to save this page. You will go to File, Save As. Now suppose I am saving this in F drive. I will select the F drive. Then I'm saving this on data in GNPS. Any path you can take where you want to save. Okay, I just take the desktop. Suppose I'm saving it on the desktop, so I will give it the name. Suppose I'm giving the file name file1, or web page 1, web page 1. In this, when we are saving this page, you have to remember that you have to put the extension .html. Otherwise it will be a simple document, it will not be saved as a HTML document. So you will now do save. Now this page has been saved on the desktop. Now what we will do, we will go to the Internet Explorer or whichever web browser you are having. Okay, so we will open that file. The file which we have saved is saved on the desktop with the name web page 1. So we will double click this file, and you can see this is your web page. Like these are the web pages which you see on your internet. So in title we have given the name my first web page. That's why you can see here it's given my first web page, and I have given the headings H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. You can see the difference between the headings. H1 is the larger size, H2 is smaller than that, H3 smaller than that, and like this you can see all the sizes are varying. Now we will close this file. We are closing the web browser. This is a web browser. This is Opera web browser. So we are going to quit this. Then this is the file. We will right click on this and open with, we want to open it with the notepad. So we will select the notepad. This is how we will open it again in the notepad. Now how we can use the P tag. P tag is paragraph tag. So we will write down P. After that we can write down any paragraph like Guru Nanak Public School is situated in Dalhousie. Suppose we are writing this paragraph. This can be of any length. Now we will close this paragraph by writing /P. So now again go to the file and save. Now you can go to the desktop. Now we have opened this file and you can see the paragraph tag which we have used. This is the paragraph. Guru Nanak Public School is situated in Dalhousie. So this is the use of the heading tags and paragraph tag. So you practice till here. In the next video I am going to show you the next tags, how we can use the other tags. Thank you.